TRADESAFE Faucet Mount Eyewash Station with Faucet Control Valve assembly transforms your sink into a reliable supplemental personal eyewash unit. Built from premium chrome-plated copper with stainless steel faucet control valve assembly and PVC-coated stainless steel braided hose, this faucet eyewash unit withstands corrosion and performs reliably in demanding environments. Multi-layer aerated nozzles with built-in pressure regulators deliver a soft, steady flow of 3 gallons per minute for over 15 minutes, even during pressure changes. Each nozzle can be adjusted to accommodate users of various heights. Flip-top caps keep nozzles clean and ready for emergency use. The integrated diverter valve allows seamless mode switching. Turn it counterclockwise for eyewash mode and clockwise for regular faucet use. Keeping the diverter valve in the counterclockwise position ensures eyewash activation when the faucet is turned on. Designed to perform when it matters most, the push handle activates the unit in under a second, while its stay open valve keeps water flowing for uninterrupted hands-free rinsing. The 5-foot PVC-coated stainless steel hose features a 1/4 inch threading that is compatible with most standard water lines. With complete mounting hardware, it can be installed on sinks, countertops, or lab tables. Includes highly visible signs in English and Spanish and bilingual inspection tags for easy identification and maintenance tracking. Rigorously tested to exceed ANSI and OSHA compliance requirements to ensure workplace compliance and safety. Don't compromise on eye safety. Equip your workplace with TRADESAFE Faucet Mount Eyewash Station with Faucet Control Valve assembly. Innovative safety solutions, trusted by industry leaders. TRADESAFE.